For many, many years, the two trends or the two rules that designers, contractors, home builders have used over and over was white kitchen or the golden oak kitchen. That was it. And then as time progressed, then it was, I don't want the golden oak, so white. We are tired of both white and golden oak. So let's be honest, a totally white kitchen is flat. No matter how much crown or trim you used or how much you decorated your door, it just does not going to do it. You just gotta accept that white kitchens, kind of like the golden oak kitchens, are done over, never touch again. I'm not saying that off-white kitchens are not in. I'm saying white kitchens are not in. There is many tones of white, many. But it seems that a warmer kitchen is much more preferred than a cold kitchen. All right, what do I mean? Warmer tones of white. I'm talking about the fresh, the creamy that looks like is clean, is new, is exciting. We talking over and over about nature coming in, right? Big windows so we can see the nature. Glass almost everywhere, right? The whole back wall is nothing but in window. So you can enjoy your backyard or you can enjoy the golf course. But with that, we also bring in that back in the kitchen. So warm colors off white. Stains that are not the golden oak, right? But stains that imitate the trees, different trees on the backyard that you have seen that we bringing it in. Back to the green potentially, right? Is the flowers, the trees, all of that. And some spruce of color of your favorite orchid. It could be pink orchid, it could be a white orchid, but not for the cabinets. We spend so much time inside. That's inside the home, inside the building, inside the store, inside the car. We don't spend enough time outside, right? With the nature, with enjoying it. And every rule has an exception, but as a majority, even I'm guilty, we want to bring all that nature in. And with that, part of it is into the decor of your kitchen, bathroom, master suites, and so on and so forth. So the right color shade of white is super important. Even if you think you can accomplish a whole kitchen remodel by yourself, hire a designer to give you the basics. The basics will be layout, color, intent to use throughout, not just cabinets, but let's say your countertop, your tile, your wall colors. We deal with this all day long. We know what warm color is without looking too old. We know that gray kitchens are totally out. Honestly, they've never been in. But, coming from there of the golden oak, it was a nice change. But they were just too cold. Apartment, sure, but not in the homes. So, give us a call. We will tell you what to use. And in that way, you're not going any wrong. Warm colors, nature. That's the take.